Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a tasty little treat that's very easy to make. My low-carb coconut candy. With just the right amount of sweetness and only 1 net carb per serving, it's the perfect snack to help keep your macros in check without sacrificing flavor. Let's get started. We'll begin with the main ingredient of our candy, coconut butter. This is simply pureed coconut. We'll be using the entire jar, which is about 1.5 cups. We'll need to melt the coconut butter into a liquid form. Do so by placing the coconut butter into a microwave-safe bowl and microwaving for about 60 seconds. In a large mixing bowl, add the melted coconut butter, 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, and give a mix to incorporate. We'll add some flavor with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and a bit of salt. Give that another mix. We'll sweeten with a liquid sugar substitute equal to 1/2 cup of regular sugar. For texture and a little more flavor, add 1 cup of slivered almonds. Mix thoroughly until combined. Line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper and pour the coconut mixture into the center. Give a shake and a jiggle to spread the mixture as evenly as possible. Place in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes to set. When set, remove from the pan and place on a cutting surface. With a sharp knife, cut into 32 pieces and enjoy a great taste of coconutty goodness. There you have it, folks, my low-carb coconut candy. A tasty little low-carb treat with great texture and taste that won't hurt your diet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.